Hey buddy, I gotta tell you about this killer approach Microsoft has on how to implement and manage that info protection stuff. You know, with all these cyber threats getting more intense and laws getting tougher, not handling sensitive data properly can be a big headache. Not just privacy-wise, but heck, it's risky business too. So here's the tale of setting up sensitivity labels and DLP using Azure, which is like building a digital fortress around your info. Imagine you're throwing a party, and you gotta make sure only folks who should be there get in, right? Well, Azure is like you having a smart security system that knows who it should let roam free in your house. Sensitivity labels, my friend, are like putting ID badges on people. You label your file as top secret or confidential, not with flashy badges, but with Azure AIP. It tells Azure and anything accessing your data that this is special, treat it with care. Data loss prevention policies? Think of those as your ground rules. In Azure, you set up policies to make sure the uninvited guests don't touch or sneak around your data. Like setting a dress code for your party, so everyone knows the boundaries. But Azure ain't doing all the work. It's crucial to understand the technical deep we're heading into. You get two parts of this Azure setup. One's Azure Information Protection, a suite allowing you to classify content based on sensitivity throughout its life cycle. The other is Microsoft Information Protection, all about encryption and secure data transmission. To roll this out, here's the deal. Start by creating an AIP tenant by contacting Microsoft. This is your domain of protection, and inside this realm, your data's safe. Once you settle in, the next step is defining those sensitivity labels. These are labels like public, sensitive, and private. They're like marking folders on a computer desktop, helps Azure and you identify different types of data easily. Labels are tied to a security template.